For organizing service bay activity, we've designed the EMDECS service board. This is like the arrivals and departures board you're familiar with at airports. There's an arrivals board here where units are checked in. Units with PM work due can appear here automatically, so each morning you'll know what needs to come in. And work required for the unit can be added. Labor activities in EMDECS are based on standard and customizable VMRS codes. All work required for a unit, whether it came from PM schedules, driver reports, or added manually, will be attached to the unit record. So if the unit appears on the board at another one of your shop locations, the work required will be there until it's completed. The service board provides an overview to the shop service manager about what's going on and what's coming up. The departure board can be set up in your customer waiting area so they can see when their unit is ready. Demos are free and no question is too small when it comes to the efficiency of your business. Visit us at emdecs.com.